Well, so passive listening, how does that actually help you learn? Like, how does it get in and stay in, if at all?
So repetitions, in the sense that it depends on people, in the sense that I have reached a point where I don't see myself as a Chinese learner.
Okay.
It's not, for me, my goal is not to learn Chinese, but to acquire Chinese. So there is a difference.
Okay.
So
Okay.
it's based on, and I found that the best way to acquire a language is through input. So it's
Right.
just flood my ear with Chinese. It's the same way I learn English. This is something that I've been doing more often these days, in the sense that I try to look back since I was a child until now.
Yeah.
How did I learn English? And so in school we learn English, we learn grammars, vocabularies and stuff.
Yeah.
But I realized that my English improved a lot after 2001. And guess why?
Pass.
Just because we had a lot of access to pirated DVDs.
Okay, movies and stuff.
So movies and stuff. So movies got a lot cheaper. So input got a lot cheaper, and they came with subtitles. So now I could put the sound and the meaning together.
Yeah.
And now I can watch Disney movies, whilst understanding everything. And I was like, oh, that's what it means.